Hi, I'm Christine Kimos with Roche Realty Group. Welcome to my new fabulous listing here located in Long Bay, a luxury private gated waterfront community along the shores of Lake Winnipesaukee. Come take a look along the exterior of this home situated on a double lot, and this home offers 3 bedrooms, 2,100 square feet in the most amazing community with amenities along the shorefront to include private yacht club, boating, bocce ball, tennis, and so much more. Hi, welcome inside. Take a look around at this beautiful, stunning home with a dramatic entry of 2-story ceilings, open concept floor plan, which leads into your kitchen, dining, and an amazing additional living space sunroom, which also leads around to your first floor master suite. What makes this property so special is its location within the private luxury waterfront gated community of Long Bay, which has 2 private sandy beaches along the Winnipesaukee shores, an in-ground heated pool, tennis, private yacht club, basketball, bocce ball, and so much more for amenities.